Good day, good day, good day, good day, good day, everyone. Welcome back, grade 7 students. This is your English class with Teacher Ross. How are you today? Are you excited about our lesson? Very good. We are now on Quarter 3, Module 4. For our most essential learning competency, express one's beliefs, convictions based on a material viewed. And for the enabling competency, make a stand on the material viewed. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to differentiate belief and conviction. Use signal phrases to express belief and conviction. Make a stand on an issue. And express belief and conviction about a material viewed. Today, I will teach you how to express beliefs and convictions. But before that, when you want to understand the difference and characteristics of a belief and a conviction, it is important that you know how to make a stand. But how do we make a stand? Based on the definitions of this phrase. Based on Collins and Merriam-Webster dictionaries, the phrase make a stand means first, to publicly assert one's opinion or defense of or opposition to something without relenting or changing your mind. Number 2, to take a position for defense or opposition. And number 3, to support a definite position, opinion, and etc. Make sure that you support your stand with sufficient information. And now, let us see if the stand that you make is a belief or a conviction. Let us start with belief. A belief is something that is considered correct and true. It expresses viewpoints, but it is not based on facts or other pieces of evidence. A belief is also an opinion, which is why it cannot serve as the basis for a formal argument. For example, a person can believe in various things such as cultural or personal faith, morality, or values. Let us have an example. In my personal view, coronavirus makes us separated from others because of social distancing. Beliefs are very personal ideas and cannot be rejected because they express an opinion. Also, these beliefs are not mandatory to change completely with new experiences. Then we have conviction. A conviction is something that an individual is convinced of. To be convinced, you need to obtain all the related information. For example, in my personal view, it is necessary to follow social distancing to ensure safety for all. Conviction is more complex than belief, as it becomes a point of view of the world. To understand further their differences, let us take a look at this table. So we have here belief and conviction. For the definition, a belief can be defined as a feeling that something exists or is true, while a conviction can be defined as a firm belief. For the characteristic, a belief can change over time. Convictions mostly remain without changing over time. Next, a belief is based on personal opinions, while a conviction is not based on personal opinions. It requires concrete information. And then for the nature, belief can be weak and shallow, while conviction is stronger and deeper. Now, I know there are still bubbles in your mind, So I have gathered some quotable quotes for you to understand belief and conviction deeper. First, belief is knowing what you believe. Conviction is knowing why you believe it. Then we also have, a belief is something you will argue about. A conviction is something you will die for. Now, the question is, how can we express beliefs or convictions? We can express beliefs and convictions through signal phrases. Here are some of the examples. I believe, I feel, I think, in my opinion, in my personal view. Let us use them in sentences. I believe that we can be early when invited to eat. We use the signal phrase I believe. For conviction, in my opinion, Filipinos have the fork as typical utensils. The signal phrase here is in my opinion. Belief, I think the gender of the guest will be revealed by the dropping of the utensils. The signal phrase here is I think. For conviction, in my personal view, burping is acceptable. The signal phrase here is in my personal view. Next, belief, I feel that I cannot refuse any packed meal. The signal phrase here is I feel. Then for conviction, from my point of view, hostess sounds differently to Filipinos because of its other meaning. The signal phrase here is from my point of view. As you could see, the sentences here under the column of beliefs are opinions and can change over time, while the sentences under the column of conviction are not based on personal opinions. Okay, activity time! I want you to watch a video of your choice from YouTube or Facebook or news from 24 Oras or other news program. Then, identify the issue presented and make a stand whether you agree or disagree. Then, write a paragraph with 5 to 8 sentences that expresses your belief, convictions about the issue. Write your answers on your intermediate paper. Note, don't forget to provide the following information before writing a paragraph: the title of the video or the program, source, issue, do you agree or disagree? In your paragraph, express your beliefs or convictions by writing the reasons why you agree or disagree on the issue. Alright, that's it. Before I leave, I have here some food for thought. An opinion is a belief that you hold. A conviction is a belief that holds you. Few would be willing to give up their lives for an opinion, but many have died to stay true to their convictions. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you for being with me. Till next time, have a nice day, keep safe, bye!